Manufacturers who are engineered to order have a huge opportunity to differentiate themselves in the market. These ETO manufacturers who win in the market will have a complete engineered manufacturing enterprise solution that integrates everything from enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management, and computer-aided design. From the minute a suspect becomes a prospect, a complete and integrated methodology needs to be triggered so that all needed steps and costs are monitored. How can your business implement this methodology? With WorkWise software. The fully integrated ERP, CRM, and CAD solution can help your business achieve key qualities that will put you ahead of other ETO manufacturers. One of these key qualities is speed. Customers are demanding quicker quotes and reduced turnaround time on orders. With WorkWise's integrated CRM solution, salespeople have their pulse on what is happening in ERP and can provide real-time updates to customers. Engineers can design and create in CAD, and those designs can be quickly used in ERP to produce accurate quotes that are competitive and will maintain profit margins. Along with higher speed comes a better customer experience. Some pain points expressed by customers ordering custom-engineered products are disconnects between what they need designed and the final products, delayed responses on the status of an order, and missed promise dates. With WorkWise software, sales and customer service have access to key data to keep in front of customer questions and changes. To ensure what is being produced matches the customer's design, engineering can push the most current designs and bills of materials to production. A good customer experience is only possible if your systems are seamlessly integrated with complete accuracy in every department. With WorkWise software, the bi-directional exchange of data eliminates the need to key data, but more importantly, assures the data is identical in all systems. When each department can access correct, identical information, your business will be able to eliminate questions, bottlenecks, and delays. With the complexity of ETO manufacturing processes, it is important to find the most efficient ways for the manufacturers and customers to achieve their goals. An engineered manufacturing enterprise solution, like WorkWise software that includes ERP, CRM, and CAD, places you on a path to win.